Have you ever used the super trend indicator? We have an alternative that might be even better. The Volume Super Trend AI Indicator. It's a combination of AI volume and super trend indicators. This strategy works on all time frames, so you can use it for scalping, day trading, or swing trading. Plus, it's effective for trading forex, gold, crypto, stocks, and more. Stay tuned, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. To use this trading strategy, you can go to TradingView, then go to the Search Indicator tab. In the Search Indicator tab, type Volume Super Trend AI. Then select Volume Super Trend AI by Zmin. The way to use this indicator is almost the same as the usual super trend indicator. However, there are 3 trend lines that you need to understand when using this indicator. If the trend line is green, it indicates a bullish trend. If the trend line is red, it indicates a bearish trend. You can also observe the dots and triangles. The dot indicates the beginning of a trend change. The triangle indicates the continuation of the main trend. Now let's move on to the settings of the Volume Super Trend AI indicator. If you go to the Settings tab of this indicator, there are many things you can adjust. For example, you can adjust the number on the price trend. For instance, if you set it to 50, the indicator will adjust the display according to the settings you've made. However, in this example, we will use the default settings for this indicator. If you haven't changed any settings, simply click Cancel. Now let's add the second indicator that will be used as a guide to place orders in the market. Go to the Search Indicator tab and then type NDIAN Oscillator. Then simply select NDIAN Oscillator by Alex Grover. Next, enter the settings of the NDIAN Oscillator indicator. For this NDIAN Oscillator indicator, just leave it at the default settings. The NDIAN Oscillator indicator will be used as a guide to place buy or sell orders in the market. But before using this indicator, you must understand the function of the 3 lines in this indicator. The green line is the bullish component line. The red line is the bearish component line. The orange line is the signal line. If the green line crosses above the red line and stays above it, it's a signal to buy. In this position, your main focus should be finding the best point to place a buy order. Conversely, if the red line crosses above the green line and stays above it, it's a signal to sell. In this position, your main focus should be finding the best point to place a sell order. However, if you want to get buy or sell signals with better probability, try to ensure that the green or red line crosses or stays above the signal line before you place an order. How to place a buy order? If the Volume Super Trend AI line is green, it indicates a bullish trend. In this position, your main focus is to find the best buy entry point. Wait for the NDIAN Oscillator to give a buy signal, or wait for the green line to cross above the red line. After that, wait for the green line or bullish component line to cross or stay above the signal line for final confirmation. Ensure that the candlestick formed is bullish. If all conditions are met, you can enter a buy order after the bullish candlestick is closed. Place the stop loss at the last swing low. Use a take profit target with a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a sell order? If the Volume Super Trend AI line is red, it indicates a bearish trend. In this position, your main focus is to find the best sell entry point. Wait for the NDIAN Oscillator to give a sell signal, or wait for the red line to cross above the green line. After that, wait for the red line or bearish component line to cross or stay above the signal line for final confirmation. Ensure that the candlestick formed is bearish. If all conditions are met, you can enter a sell order after the bearish candlestick is closed. Place the stop loss at the last swing high. Use a take-profit target with a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. I hope this helps. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you've gained new knowledge today. That concludes our discussion for today. See you in the next video.